Hi, I'm Paul Bosniak, Applications Engineer for Oriental Motor. I'm here to talk about how Oriental Motor can help you finalize your machine design without needing to compromise and redesign around standard motor solutions. Our PKP series step motors can be configured specifically for your positioning application needs. Some of the customization options include modifying the output shaft to fit your application's mechanical interface, optimizing the motor's winding specifications to deliver torque where your system needs it the most, simplifying integration with custom cable lengths, connectors, and labeling, adding pulleys, gears, and sprockets to streamline assembly time, and attaching encoders to enable position feedback with resolutions from 100 pulses per revolution up to 4,000 pulses per revolution. With customizations that fit your space and deliver improved performance, you can design compact, precise motion control systems for applications such as medical and laboratory equipment, enabling you to shorten your development time and streamline assembly. For more information about how Oriental Motor can help you build the right solution, please visit our website and contact our tech support team via phone, email, and live chat.